Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a great looking document quickly using the templates in the Microsoft Word app. First of all, launch open Microsoft Word application on your device. I'm doing this on a mobile device. Once you land in the home page of Microsoft Word after signing in, go ahead and tap on the Create button at the bottom center of the screen. Now you will see different templates. From the gallery of templates, choose the one you'd like. Templates are grouped by types such as resumes, reports, invoices, flyers, letters, agenda. Search for a specific template. I'm just gonna go ahead and choose this resumes option. Now from the available results, click any template to preview it. Now check the layouts, design, sections included, and its overall style. If it fits your need, you can continue. Now you can create a document from the template, make necessary adjustments, and customize your design if you want. You can change everything such as fonts, colors, headings, images, spacing, etc. From the sample, go ahead and enter your name, type in your own content. You can replace the names, dates, titles, and section according to your choice. And finally, after you are done with your documents, you can save your document. Click on Done at the top left, and then you can rename your document after you are done. Templates save a lot of time for resume and formal documents. You can reuse the same templates again later. Don't worry about breaking the design. You can always undo the changes. So now you're all set. You can use Word templates to create polished documents faster and easier if you want. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.